Good day everyone! I am Maria Rema B. Malinay, and today I will be discussing the 7 C's of effective communication. Effective communication is important because it helps us express our ideas clearly, avoid misunderstandings, and build positive relationships, whether in school, at work, or in daily life. Communicating effectively allows messages to be understood correctly and people work together more efficiently. First is clarity. Clarity means the message is easy to understand and free from confusion. Like for example, in school, please submit the project on Friday, December 15 before 5 p.m. Second is conciseness. Conciseness means delivering the message using the fewest words without losing the meaning. Like for example in school, read pages 10 to 15 for tomorrow. Third is completeness. Completeness means providing all necessary information so the receiver doesn't need to ask follow-up questions. Like for example in school, the exam is on Monday, 8 to 10 a.m. in room 204. Fourth is correctness. Correctness refers to using accurate facts, proper grammar, and appropriate language. Like for example, there are 20 items in the quiz. Fifth is concreteness. Concreteness means being specific, defined, or not general. Like for example in school, you got 85 out of 100 on the test. Number 6 is courtesy. Courtesy means being polite, respectful, and professional in tone. Example, may I please ask for an extension? Number 7 is consideration. Consideration means thinking about the receiver's feelings, needs, and perspective. Like for example, I understand the workload is heavy, so the deadline is extended. Like for example, in a situation, you're going to email to your teacher. The 7 C's of effective communication help improve an email to a teacher by making the message clear, respectful, and easy to understand. Clarity ensures the purpose of the email is immediately understood, while conciseness keeps it short and straight to the point. Completeness provides all necessary details such as the reason for writing and important dates. Correctness shows proper grammar and accurate information, reflecting professionalism. Concreteness gives specific details. Courtesy means a polite and respectful tone, and consideration shows awareness of the teacher's time and perspective. Together, the 7 C's make the email effective and appropriate. In conclusion, the 7 C's effective communication, the clarity, conciseness, completeness, correctness, concreteness, courtesy, and consideration are essential in delivering messages that are clear, respectful, and meaningful. They help reduce misunderstandings, strengthen relationships, and ensure that the communication is effective in school, work, and everyday life. My personal takeaway is that applying the 7 C's does not only improve how we speak or write, but also how we connect to others. When we communicate thoughtfully, we show respect and understanding. Thank you all for your time and attention.